wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one and
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this video is sponsored by QueenVirgin hair, and they also go by QVR and they sent me this 13x4 loose wave wig. It looks like 24 inches to me. They said it was 26, but to me this is 24 inches, to be honest. 24, 22. But the specs of the wig will be down in the description box. But before we jump into the installation of this wig, let me just show you guys what they sent me inside the package. So inside the package comes the bag with the wig, obviously. They sent me some baby hair combs or edge brush, whatever you want to call it. A comb and not combs. They sent me their headband. They sent two headbands actually, one with their logo and one without it. They also sent me their hair care guide. You get 10% off your next purchase if you're supposed to order from them. And they also sent me this little pouch where I could put, like, you know, my little goodies in if I'm traveling and I need to do my hair. Now for this wig, it's honestly very soft. It's not HD lace, but it literally melted like HD lace. The knots were okay. They're not like the smallest knots that I've worked with, but they were not too bad. The lace wasn't too bad, like I said, and the overall texture of this hair, the quality and all that was not too bad. Like, actually, like, it's fine. I didn't put any oil sheen or any type of oils in this hair, and it's giving. But yeah, if you guys would love to see how I end up getting this look, then definitely keep on watching.
I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell him, this on Donda, on my mama, made a promise, Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my all summer, all summer, $4-5 in pajamas, they piranhas, buy out the stolen hours. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums. We took both. We took both, we took both, we took both, one in Atlanta, now Montana, excuse my manners, I got status, excuse my manners, I got status, I got status, you don't want status, see more comments, and I see commas, they going down me, we going down there, let me be honest. Let me be honest, I went with the Bucks, boy. Let me be honest, I went with the Bucks, boy. Spirit is on us, spirit is thunder. God's time can't fit on the wrist. Junior wanna have me on my move out of the way of my release. Trying to get me off my cues and peace. Why can't losers never lose in peace? Ain't nobody around me losing sleep. Better find God before he find me. Tell the devil good night, go to sleep. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2 turn outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, ride or they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one on hoodie, it's a screenshot. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting closer. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even find like I'll miss you. Right now, I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG. Right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, ride or they die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in an
AMG, right outside, PT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, ride or they die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Yeah.
yeah.
Work, 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 work. To me, I feel work, 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 work. See me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So some me by that work, 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 work. When you walk a line, 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 line. In the cafe, man, ta, 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 ta. Drive me a dessert. Nothing to be lurking.
Yeah.
You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So tell me about that work, 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 work. Da, 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 da. When you walk out, na, 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 na. Before the table turn, 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 turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I got another chance to, I would never, no, never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this true. I hope that you see this true. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel why. They tell me I feel why. You see me do my da. Tell me about that why. When you walk out, la. When the girl from my touch.
Yeah, okay, you need to get done, and work come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too my emotions tonight, I'm sorry. Rolling, 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 rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You can pick the time and the place. You will spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all the work, 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 work.
You see me, I feel work, 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 work. You see me do my da 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 da. So me by that work, 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 work. When you walk out, la 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 la. When the car from my church. Work, 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 work.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this shit, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in the case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling, rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Look, don't invite me over if you throw another pretty party. Looking back, it's hard to tell you where I started. I don't know who loved me, but I know that it ain't everybody. I can never love her, she a busybody. Baby, if you want me, can't be turning up with everybody. Nah, can't be fucking on this anybody. Yeah, I got feelings for you, that's the thing about it.
So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Once again, I would love to thank QueenVirgin Remy here for sponsoring this video. The links to the wig will be down in the description box. If you guys have to purchase it, definitely check that down below. But for now, this is the end, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one.